Hello guys, so today I will show you how to evolve Elfy. So Elfy is a must-have unit since she is a support. She basically works like Wendy or Wind Dragon, but she is an upgraded version of Wind Dragon since she have much more range and she deals a good amount of damage. So first, you need to have her takedowns on 7,500. And next step, let's see the requirements for her evolution. Oh, and by the way, you can get Elfie from the banner. So let's see the requirements for Elfie. So Elfie needs, she needs these crystal lights. You need ice, dark, and blood crystallites. You need 4 ice, 4 dark, and 2 blood crystallites. And some stars. So you can get these dark crystallites by doing legend stages. Oh, and by the way, before you go to the legend stages, accept the mission here. Beside the holidays event, you can see Zoro lying. He can give missions. So open daily missions, you can see here. I already accepted it here. So you can get extra materials for Elfie. And now let's go through the legend stages. So here, after you finish the story of virtual dungeon, you can unlock the stages, which is virtual dungeon. Here you can get 1 to 2 crystallites for Elfie. So let me show you how I do it. I will just put it in a time lapse. So after you accumulated a all of the requirements for Elfie, now let's evolve her. Oh wait, let's change her stats. Remember to always change the unit stats before evolving them. I, I already changed her stats. Her stats are already good. So let's evolve Elfy. And now let's showcase her a bit. So let's go to play. Let's head into bro. Let's head into the infinite greeny. So Elfie is a support unit. As he can also she can also buff like Wind Dragon or Wendy. She can also do infinite buff like Wind Dragon, but I haven't have a good SPA curse on her yet. So as you can see, she have a lot of range compared to Wind Dragon. So she is a must-have unit, support unit to use. As you can see, she buffs 50% already. I think you can do infinite buff on her using only two Elfies. Let's say you put the other two here just for the other units to get buffed. Let's try putting a curse on her. Let's just go back to the lobby. So, a curse that you want for LP is minus SPA or more SPA. Let's see. No, that's not it. You need the SPA to be red around minus 6. That's too much. Like that. Let's take that. And for the next video, I will show you how to do infinite buffs. So yes, thank you for watching.